So since I forgot to yesterday, I'm going to reapply a second coat of the CQuartz UK nano coating on my paint. This is the applicator pad from CarPro, hard foam with a little bit of soft foam there, and we wrap this in a very soft microfiber suede cloth, just like this. And we unscrew the bottle, have a look, and we add a few dabs of product on the cloth, and we start coating. This is probably about as boring as watching paint dry. I'm just going to do a small section here for demonstration purposes, and then I'm going to do the rest of it without you guys watching. First one direction and then the other to make sure you get full coverage. Boom. This is supposed to sit for 1 to 5 minutes, so I'm going to shut off the camera and get back to you later. And just like that, by the magic of technology, 5 minutes has passed and you didn't notice anything. It was just like an instantaneous thing for you, while I had to wait actually. We take a larger suede microfiber cloth from our good friends at CarPro and wipe off the residue. And I actually think this may be the solution to my problems yesterday. I didn't think it looked glossy or slick a second coat. Coming up very easily. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not rocket science. You can wax your car, you can do this. Boom, chakalaka. There we go. Okay, so we're going to try something a little bit different now. I'm going to apply the CQuartz with a cosmetic cotton pad, which is in many ways easier. It glides a lot easier across the paint. It's much easier to get into the nooks and crannies than with a stiff foam applicator. But the downside is you use, I think, a little bit more product when you use a white cotton pad because you can't really see how much you're applying. But we'll see. And with this light paint, it's also very hard to see the area that you've actually covered, so you gotta look at it from all sorts of different angles to make sure you haven't missed a patch. Hence the LED work lights in the back here. Again, doing a crisscross pattern to make sure that you don't miss any spots. I think I'm going to use the suede microfiber applicator for big flat panels, and then use a cotton applicator where there are curves and nooks and crannies and stuff. This works just fine. And once I'm not going to let it sit for 5 minutes, if you just let it sit for a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, it bonds just fine, but it becomes much easier to wipe off afterwards. And you really need to get it off, because if you let it sit and it stiffens, hardens, it's going to be a bitch to get it off, and it was hazy. There we go. So it's been about a minute. I'm going to wipe off the residue with a short nap side of a regular microfiber cloth instead of the the recommended suede microfiber cloth. And it seems to be just as effective and a hell of a lot easier to control because that suede cloth keeps slipping out of your fingers all the time. There's a lot more drag on it. And from where I see it right now, it actually looks kind of glassy. I'm very happy with the way it looks. Regardless of what I posted on my blog yesterday.